If you're seeing the message "could not find user" in ChatGPT, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons this happens and the easiest ways to fix it. This issue can show up when you're trying to log in, invite someone, search for a workspace user, or access a shared ChatGPT account, and it usually comes down to a simple account, email, or access problem. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to check and how to get back in fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, double check the email address or username you entered. A small typo, an extra space, or the wrong account can trigger this error right away. If you copied and pasted the email, try typing it manually instead. Next, make sure the user actually exists in the system you're trying to access. If this is for a workspace, team, or organization, confirm that the admin has already added that person and that the invitation was sent correctly. If the user was recently invited, give it a few minutes and then refresh the page because some accounts take a little time to appear. If you're trying to log into ChatGPT directly, switch to the correct sign-in method. For example, if you originally signed up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you need to use the same method again. Using a different login option can make it look like the user cannot be found even though the account is still there. Another helpful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old session data can cause account lookup errors, and a fresh browser session fixes the problem in just a minute. You can also try opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private window to see whether the issue is related to your browser. If it works there, the problem is likely a cached session or extension conflict. Speaking of extensions, temporarily disable any ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers because they can interfere with account loading and user verification. If you're on a mobile device, log out of the app completely, force close it, reopen it, and sign in again. Also, make sure the app is updated to the latest version, since outdated app versions can create unusual account errors. If this is happening in a work or school environment, contact the administrator and confirm that your account has the correct permissions. In some cases, the user exists but does not have access to the right workspace, project, or shared feature, which can cause the platform to behave as if the user cannot be found. You should also check whether the email domain is correct. For example, a personal Gmail address and a company email may be treated as completely different users. If the user changed their email recently, the old address may no longer work. Another smart fix is to reset your session by signing out of all devices, then signing back in on just one device. This can clear out conflicting login data and help ChatGPT recognize the correct account again. If none of that works, try accessing ChatGPT from a different browser or a different network. Sometimes browser settings, VPNs, proxies, or restricted networks can block the user lookup process. Finally, if the issue still continues after all of these steps, contact ChatGPT support with the exact error message, the email address you're using, and a screenshot of what you see. That makes it much easier to diagnose the problem faster. So to quickly recap, check the spelling, confirm the account exists, use the correct login method, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, verify permissions, and try a different browser if needed. Those steps solve most could not find user errors in ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.